It has been the heart of Jamaica's culturally intrinsic beats, propelling our culture in a time when change bombards and wills us to accept the newness all around. But lest we forget, the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission's Festival Song Competition continues to remind us. First staged in 1966, the competition is the longest-running original song contest on the island.
Can you hear that?
Rhythm clothed in history, with melody not to be messed with. Listen carefully as first-time winners, the Maytals, tell you.
Everybody get ready, it's time to rock steady, it's Baba Boom time this eve. Don't lose the beat now, just dip your head now.
We're having a party, I hope you are hearty. Yeah, we're having a party, I hope you are hearty. Sing it to me, children. Rum baba loo bam 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 baloo. Rum baba loo bam bam. Intensified.
The Maytals would best their fellow competitors yet again with Sweet and Dandy, this time in 1969.
It is no wonder he's a perfect wonder. Why they were dancing in that ballroom last night? Boom shakalaka boom boom boom.
Sure, there are some names that may sound unfamiliar to you, but equally, you are sure to make the connection with others like Eric Donaldson, dubbed Father Festival, after having numerous winnings in the competition over the years. Here he is with his first.
Oh cherry, oh baby, don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, what have you left for me to do?
And how did the song, sung by every Jamaican and persons all over the world, come to be?
Like it just come one morning, just hit me the melody, and I did have my 3-string guitar that I play sometime, and I feel out the rhythm on it.
Everybody just crying out, happy bounce and a pride.
In 1972, the Maytals would take the crown once more. Marvin Brooks jumped the line of winners in 1973. Tinga Stewart's much-loved Play the Music in 1974 would be his first of 2 wins. Hooray Festival by Roman Stewart took it in 1975. In 1976, Freddie McKay won with Dance This Ya Festival, and Eric Donaldson went back-to-back with Sweet Jamaica and Land of My Birth in the years following, with the Astronauts closing out the 70s with
I'm a born Jamaica, I'm a son of the sun. I love the sea, I love the sun, Lord, I love this land.
The 80s was a winning decade, pushing out hits after hits, opening with a very optimistic Stanley and the Turbines.
I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica, a land of peace and love. Some say they cannot see no hope, that's why they leave this land. I know there's hope from here, that's why I wrote this song.
Tinga Stewart made the cut once again in 1981, reminding Jamaicans of Dorothy's mantra, "There's no place like home." The Astronauts doubled back with Mek with Jam in 82, while Ras Carby won with Jamaica I'll Never Leave You in 1983. No doubt in 1984, Eric Donaldson was very proud to be Jamaican, while we all caught Roy Ryan's fever in 1985. The first of 4 wins, Roy has etched his name in the competition forever.
When people say festival or independence now, the first name, with, you know, and without knowing apology, the first name they say is Roy Ryan. And that's not boasting. I am honored that people see the body of work and believe. And not only that, let me just say it, I'm a darn good performer.
In 1986, Stanley and the Turbines came back with Dem of a Squirm. 87 was Roy Rayan's second time winning the competition, giving thanks and praises. In 1988, Singer J won with Jamaica Land We Love, as Michael Forbes' controversial Stop and Go rounded out the decade.
She stop, she go, she stop. She stop, she go, she stop, she go. Hey, stop and go, that she dancing. What you singing?
The competition has now become a showground for both professional and aspiring artists, songwriters, and producers to highlight their talent, as each year competitors aim to identify a new and original song that reflects the spirit of the Jamaican people.
We have been actively promoting the Jamaica Festival song to build momentum and garner public support. We're also reintroducing the festival song roadshows as we take the shows across the island.
Island Festival, rocking every woman and man, yeah. Island Festival, from St. Thomas to Westmoreland, you should see them in the dance. Then just a jump and prance, then just a wheel and turn. God will make the fest get done. Yes, every time I see the man go to some, I remember that the festival is soon gonna come.
While the competition has been a male-dominated space since its inception, the females have found favor on a few occasions. Heather Grant's Make We Put Things Right became the first in 1992.
Give me back the sweet Jamaica, the one and only country. Give me back the sweet Jamaica, with love and harmony.
7 years would go by before Cheryl Clark followed with Born in a J.A. The ladies continue to meet this fete with Abigail Dallas's Real Born Jamaican in 2012, dancehall artist Stacious's Jamaican Spirit in 2021, and Sakaj with Know a Nice Like Yard in 2022. No matter the sex, we are a proud people, and that continues to shine in everything that we do. And if we can't agree on anything else, we can share in Stanley's idea of this little island being the bomb.
Come one, come all, let's celebrate. Wave your hand and kick your foot straight. Let's show the world we are #1. 38 years we struggling along.
And as the 39th year rolled around, Roy Richards came out the victor with Lift Up Jamaica. Devon Black with his idea of progress followed in 2002, marking Jamaica 40th. Proving to be a student of history, Stefan Peninsulin had a winning streak with Jamaican Tour Guide and Old Time Jamaica.
I am from Jamaica. Me no had that me neighbors swing cut ya. Me get it up no who no see the key ya. Pass the seat belt tour never over.
Khalil and Pure saw some riches with Poverty in 2005. Omar Reed took us down memory lane with Remember the Days in 2006. And You Can Never Lose, complimenting the fairer of the sexes. And Neville Gunty Winters found that out with Woman at a Beauty in 2007. But in 2008, Roy Rayan was never going to be outshined with his song Rise and Shine. 2009, Winston Hussey took the crown with his song Take Back Jamaica.
I know we no nice like my Jamaica. No we no sweet like my Jamaica. We spend time in America and in Canada. No we so me like my Jamaica.
In 2011, Everton David Pessoa won with Oh If We. Unfortunately, the competition went on hiatus in 2013. Rashane Sanderson's I Love J.A. brought it back to life in 2014. It was a celebration for Leroy Johnson in 2015. In 2016, O'Neil Scott reminded us that there was nowhere like Jamaica. The competition went on another hiatus in 2017, and O'Neil Nazelman Scott would take the trophy when it resumed in 2018, singing Jamaica Awe Home. And in 2019, Raldine Dyer's Loaded Eagle was the bop for the season. And after more than 50 years, the JCDC's Festival Song Competition continues to thrive, with major artists entering the competition, making it that more viable.
All these songs will be on the various digital streaming platforms, Spotify, Amazon, iTunes, over 30 such platforms. And for those who didn't know, in 2021 and 2023, the festival song album made waves by securing a spot on the shortlist for the Reggae Grammy nominations, 2021 and 2023. So we must be doing something right.
I